In this final lecture, we'll discuss the future of public health. But first we'll bring together the vast amount of information we've covered and reflect on what we've learned. Let's begin by answering, what is public health? Take a moment. It's not so easy to do, is it? But let's try. I think we'll agree that public health is an enterprise that acts in the community's or public's best interest to improve human and environmental well-being. That makes it a social in contrast to a commercial enterprise, which operates for profit or financial gain. Public health is also a collective effort, not just a responsibility of government, to identify and address unacceptable conditions within a population. If neglected or overlooked, these conditions would most likely lead to a further decline in health or quality of life, which could have been prevented. Actually, there is more than one good definition of public health. One of the best was produced by the Institute of Medicine, or IOM. The IOM is an independent nonprofit organization that works outside of government. It's asked for its unbiased advice by Congress or by professionals who make important public health decisions. The IOM definition identifies 3 core functions of public health and some essential services that follow from the functions. The 3 core functions: 1. Assessment. This means monitoring the community's or population's health to diagnose and investigate health problems. 2. Policy development. This means informing and educating people about public health issues, mobilizing action, and making policies and plans that support public health efforts at all levels. 3. Assurance. Assurance covers a variety of different governmental actions: enforcing public health laws and regulations, linking needy people to personal health services that would otherwise not be available to them, assuring the training and competence of the public health workforce, evaluating public health services to ensure their effectiveness, efficiency, and equity, and funding innovative public health research to ensure sound and current scientific evidence. Having a neat and succinct IOM definition helps public health stick to its mission and enables Americans to better grasp what public health does. It gives Congress and state legislatures justification for the resources, human, financial, physical, and informational, needed for each part of the enterprise. And it facilitates measuring the system's outcomes, that is, how effectively, efficiently, and equitably the system has performed. In addition to crafting a definition, the IOM looked into the mission, role, and general effectiveness of public health and issued a pretty harsh report, the first in a series of critical but constructive papers. It found public health to be in a state of disarray, in short, a mess. IOM's 1988 The Future of Public Health said that in order to strengthen its capacity to do the job, public health needed better coordination at all levels of government. Furthermore, government alone couldn't be responsible for all of public health. It required partnerships with business, unions, academia, and the media to do the job. Finally, public health needed to do strategic planning. That is, it needed to develop goals and objectives to guide its performance. It needed some sort of roadmap. Because planning and coordination had been so badly neglected and for so long, the IOM report prompted action. Prominent leaders from inside and outside of government created national public health goals and the Healthy People Planning process. That means that goals and objectives are set, and communities nationwide work on achieving them. Every decade, progress on achieving the goals is measured and evaluated, and new goals are set. So far, Healthy People 2000 and Healthy People 2010 have proven the process to be worthwhile. We're now working on achieving the Healthy People 2020 agenda. The IOM definition of public health, that is, core functions and associated recommendations, spurred public health on to improvement in many areas. It also gave it a framework with which to evaluate itself again and again. Ongoing evaluation and planning is critical, and it will continue to be critical for the foreseeable future of public health.